Hello everyone, welcome back to the next text designing tutorial. Actually, this is a simple tutorial. I'm just gonna make a text like this. So if you are hurry or if you want to make a text quick, so you can follow this kind of text. Actually, I used an image overlay and then a stroke, then a drop shadow. We have only two layer styles and one blending mode. So I changed the blending mode. Okay, let's get started. So first we want to make a new document with any size. The size doesn't matter. Then create the layer. So I want to change the color. Actually, I forgot to change the color. So we can either the best way or quick way is paste the color here. Then the next thing we want to make the text. Then select the text tool. Then select the font. This font. I'm gonna select this particular font. Then make the text. Actually, the text size I selected. Okay, let's keep down. Then I'm gonna type, okay, let's all in all caps, gold, GOLD. We have to change the color first. Then let's change the color to white color. Keep it in the middle of the document. So the next thing, we want to import an image to make a particular image overlay. So let's go to file, then place embedded, then import the image. Okay, what we want to do next is keep, or we can resize it. Okay, keep the text layer just top of the image, then change the blend mode to overlay. So what we want to do next is select the text layer, then press and hold Control, then click to select the text, then select the image layer and make a layer mask. So when I do that, the rest of the sections will disappear. So add a layer mask. Look at that, this is what happened. Then what you want to do next is just double click or head over to the layer styles of text, the stroke value, then keep it maybe 2 pixels or 3 pixels, 2 pixels. Keep it inside, or you can choose outside also, but I keep inside. Either we can choose black color or black or gray colors. Okay, click OK. Then let's check it out how it looks like before and after. Let's zoom in. Then the stroke disappears. It will like this. So actually this text is not looks really good. So the things we want to change is we have to change the color first. So let's change the color of the text by click here. Then we can change the color to an orange color or red color. The colors will look great. So now it looks really good. Then we have to change, so we can play with the hue and saturation values to make it more brighter. So we can go to the layer adjustment layer, then just click, then choose hue or saturation. Then we can play with the hue value. Or before doing that, I have to make or clip the hue saturation layer to the text layer. So what I want to do is just select the hue and saturation layer, then keep the text underneath, then just press and hold Alt key in Windows to clip this text layer. So what will happen, the hue and saturation change only affect the text, otherwise it will affect the background also. Then we can select this, or we can change the hue. Look at that. And also we can again we can change the color to a bright one. So let's check out what will happen. It becomes more dark. Okay, that's really good. So the next thing we want to add is a drop shadow. So head over to layer styles, then click drop shadow. I selected multiply blend mode. Okay, that's good. Then keep distance down. Then the angle I choose just 60 degree. We can choose 60 degree. Then the size goes down. Okay, the distance goes down. Then we can increase the spread. and the opacity has to be a lower number. Okay, how it looks like. So this is the making of a small easy text effect using the blend modes and layer styles. Actually, this is really cool. You can utilize for creating anything that's really looks good. I think this one is better than this one. Okay, I used different blending images, so that's why it happened, and also different contrast and brightness, and also hue saturation value is different. So you can make like this. Actually, this is not a huge task, and you don't need a huge creativity or knowledge to make this kind of text effects. And also you can apply this for any kind of layers that's making cartoons or animation layers or anything. This is really easy. I hope you are clear. Thank you.